say good words about Madeleine. What do you think? Leave a comment. What do you think? Madeleine is angry because somebody say to her not don't film like this. Leave a comment. What do you think about this? Not in this track, another track, not in this. In this, he didn't say anything.
Share with you my feelings.
Leave a comment. What do you
Leave
think?
a comment.
Madeleine is angry at somebody, not here,
Yes,
another place.
yes, I'm very angry.
Leave a comment.
Somebody didn't say good words about Madeleine. What do you think? Leave a comment. What do you think?
Oh my goodness.
Madeleine is angry because somebody say to her not perfect like this.
Yes, it is the truth. I'm filming.
Leave a comment. What do you think about this?
Leave a comment. I have filmed thousands of exhibitions, everything.
Not in this track, in other track, not in this.
Yes, not in this.
I didn't say anything.
It's true. I'm frustrated because I have visited so many exhibitions, I have made so many videos, and today I wanted to film a specific model where everybody was filming, and I went to film. I asked, can I film from the inside or from the outside? They said, no, you can't film from the inside. Okay, so I started filming from the outside, like everybody. And they said to me, didn't you hear me? My colleague said to you not to film. And I'm very frustrated, but I will calm down. I just wanted to share with you my feelings.
Leave a comment.
Leave a comment.
Madeleine is angry at somebody, not here,
Yes,
another place.
yes, I'm very angry.